Hello everyone, I am so happy to be here. I'm happy that you're here. And today I thought I would show you a few ways to make tags and make them even more interesting than what we usually do. Now, maybe some of you have seen some of these, and maybe some of you are brand new, have never seen tags made this way. Of course, I could have made a lot more tags to show you, but I thought these 5 examples were enough for today. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you get maybe inspired and think of your tags in a different way. There's always a way to, how can I say, maybe lift up or give your tag that extra interest, that extra visual and maybe even texture, and take it beyond, let's say, what we usually do, right? You have your regular tags, which are just the piece of paper to which you might have applied other pieces of paper or stamps. But then you can do so much more. And I find that each tag become its own little treasure. So imagine the surprise of somebody opening a journal page, finding a pocket in which sits a beautiful tag, then pulling the tag, and it's different. There's different things to it. There's vellum, there's windows, there's pockets, it swivels. Like, there's so many ways to enhance your tag game, if I can say it this way. So I will leave you on this. This video is meant for you to relax, enjoy the process. If you have questions, I would really like for you to put them in the comments. If you have other ways of making tags, you can also comment, and I would love to read about it. I would like to know which one is your favorite. I would really be curious to see. How we create numerous things sometimes all in one go, like this time I made 5. We have our favorites. Some of them we're not sure we even like, but then in the comments a lot of times I'll see people say, oh, this is my favorite, and I'm thinking, really? And then that's the tag ending up with the most votes. So I'd be very curious. Also, you're going to see at one point my cat had to get involved. Of course, I'm going to take her off my desk, but do not adjust your screen. My cat always has to know what's going on and be right in the middle of the action. So I give you a great big hug from here in Nova Scotia, Canada. I do hope, as usual, that you are all happy, healthy, and safe. Please enjoy this video, relax, get inspired, and then go craft. Okay, thank you for watching. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. It really helps my channel grow, and it kind of tells me that I'm on the right track and I should keep going. Okay, see you later. Bye. Bye-bye.